How do you like your eggs? Over easy? Over hard?
What's for breakfast, Mom?
Let's fry some eggs for breakfast. How do you like your eggs? Sunny side up? Over easy? Over hard?
Sunny side up, please. What's for lunch, Mom?
Smashed avocado toast with boiled eggs. How do you like your eggs? Soft-boiled eggs? Hard-boiled eggs?
Soft-boiled egg, please. What's for dinner, Mom?
Eggs Benedict.
I'm sick and tired of eggs now. Let's make pizza.
Spread it wide and shape it into round.
I'm going to put the sauce on the dough.
Sprinkle some cheese and some vegetables on the pizza. Let's bake the pizza for 15 minutes. Let's dig in. Do you like boiled eggs or fried eggs? Leave a comment below.
Please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe.